Gently push back the proximal nail fold. Remove tissue and debris from the nail plate. Using a 180 grit emerald file, shape the free edge of the natural nail. Remove the shine from the nail plate using the 220 grit side of the diamond buffer. Remove the filing dust from the nail plate using a clean, dry nail wipe. Apply 1 coat of prep to the natural nail plate. Apply base to the nail and slide finger into the Dip and Sculpt color powder. Repeat for a second coat. Apply activator to all nails. File and shape the nails, then buff smooth. Apply a second coat of activator. Allow to dry for 1 minute. Remove excess activator residue with a dry nail wipe. Quickly apply 1 coat of sealer to one hand and immediately follow with a second coat, slowly covering the entire nail surface. Allow to dry for 2 minutes. Finish with lavender cuticle oil.